Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best water softener resin cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Purolite C100E Water Softener Resin. Purolite C100E is a strong acid cation sodium exchange type of resin. Additionally, it is an industrial-grade gel. This water softener resin is designed to treat beverages, food, drinks, potable water, and water for making different types of food. Moreover, it has outstanding chemical and physical stability, along with high bead reliability. It works best for residential, commercial, and food-grade purposes. It has got amber and clear spherical beads that dissolves in the water quickly and easily. And it comes with a shallow removable content that has a significant role in making it a reliable resin. Purolite C100E has got an 8% standard cation. It contains polystyrene gel and divinyl benzene. Number 2. Our second best pick is AFW Filters Sulfurs 1 Water Resin. High-capacity water resin, as the name indicates, it has got a high capacity. It comes in a 1 cubic foot package, and it comes in a rugged and durable package, and that can be used for all types of water softeners. This feature makes it the best water softener resin. The lifespan of this resin is 12 to 15 years, which shows it is durable and long-lasting and can be used with all the standard water softeners to increase their life. It features easy-to-replace resin and easy to pour and use in your water softener. This high-capacity water resin maximizes the ion exchange within the softener to provide you with better quality and a handsome amount of purified water. It contains styrene divinyl benzene copolymer. It has a spherical beads. AFW Filters SofRes 1 high-capacity water resin has 8 tie-ins. For the long-term replacement and for the durability of your water softener, you have to invest right, and it will pay off. It has a moderate price tag, but maybe for some people, it is a bit high. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aquatrol Water Softening Resin. Aquatrol is designed for softening the hard water and gives you high-quality water. Additionally, it can separate and purify the water and remove the metals. Aquatrol resin is capable of giving a high-purity premium resin that is specially made to treat potable water, food, drinks, and the water that is used for making food. The physical form of this Aquatrol is a brownish yellow, and the whole bead count is 95% min. It can eliminate harmful elements from the water like sulfur, iron, and other nasty minerals. The resin is a durable acid cation sodium exchange type. It contains polystyrene divinyl benzene, DVB. The price tag attached to this water softener resin is moderate. You can buy it easily and make your water softener durable and long-lasting and give you better tasting water. It is a high-grade resin and NFC certified that ensures you it is safe to use. It is made in the US, and it fulfills US FDA standards. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is What's a 4004033BRV Pro 10,000 Replacement Water Softener Resin. This water resin works perfectly and converts the hard water to soft effectively and provides you with a good quality of water. What's RV Pro is suitable for residential use and the small family. It provides you with the purified water quickly, and you feel the better taste. The price tag labeled with this resin is low. Get this water softener resin and feel the overall best taste of water and increase the life of your machine. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is LiquaGen Ion Exchange Water Softener Resin. LiquaGen Ion Exchange is designed for softening the hard water. Moreover, it can be used with high-purity water along with preparing pure. LiquaGen Ion Exchange has a strong acid cation sodium exchange type of resin. It is ideal for the purification of trace elements and best for the pharmaceutical industry and hydrometallurgy. This resin contains an outstanding hydraulic feature for an ideal flow and backwash flow rate. Its adequate capacity and penetrability feature give unique kinetic conduct and suitable chemical, thermal, and physical variability. An ion exchange resin is a work as a medium size for ion exchange as it is an insoluble matrix that is generally small 0.5 to 1 mm diameter microbats. A yellowish organic polymer substrate, the beads are generally absorbent and offers a massive area on and inside the beads. It comes in cubic feet that easily fit in a standard water softener and increase the lifespan of it. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.